Are your employees driving? Whether in a company car or their personal vehicle, you might be liable. Traffic conditions cost employers over $72 billion annually. Meet S.P.I.D.E.R, a revolutionary science-based defensive driving course designed to reduce crashes and teach positive driving behaviors. Produced at the crossroads of Hollywood storytelling and cutting-edge neurocognitive science by behavioral experts and top entertainment industry writers, the S.P.I.D.E.R defensive driving course is unlike anything you've experienced before. Through an immersive approach, S.P.I.D.E.R teaches life-saving skills and transforms driver behavior. These hard-hitting, humorous micro-learning lessons deliver critical information in a fun and unforgettable way. Why all this effort?
The reason is that our brains are lazy. Yep, that's what I said. Lazy!
Enter the proprietary S.P.I.D.E.R method.
Oops, sorry, not that spider. I meant S.P.I.D.E.R. Scan, predict, identify, decide, execute, and reflect. S.P.I.D.E.R.
Make S.P.I.D.E.R part of your safety culture.